Okay guys, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga ka-reels, mga ka-mamshis. So today's mini vlog will just go to T-Mobile Pinole in Pinole Valley. We're gonna upgrade my phone into 16 Pro Max, and I don't know what phone is Dad getting.
Hopefully something cheaper.
He doesn't care as long as it's working.
Right, as long as I have the internet.
As long as he get the internet so he can read his news and whatever. But mama, because it's gonna be my birth month, it's gonna be my birthday, so that would be my birthday gift, one of my birthday gifts, Christmas and birthday gift. Okay, so more surprises coming up before my birthday. Okay, Dad? Hindi naman dapat talaga ako kukuha ng bago kung okay pa siya, pero yung audio niya sira na. Minsan nawawala yung audio, nagtataka na lang si ante or sino yung mga kausap ko, nandyan pa ba ako? Sabi ko dito lang naman ako. Sabi nila wala na daw boses. Sabi ko nandito lang, so sira na nga siya. Kaya pag iPhone Pro Max 16 po tayo. Okay, so parating na tayo sa T-Mobile guys. Malapit lang siya sa freeway exit. Dito malapit sa Pinole. Actually dito ako nagwo-work dati. Sa neighborhood na to. Naalala ko. Okay. T-Mobile. Alright, let's go.
Here we are.
Hi, welcome in.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
Good.
May I check you in? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, what is your name, sir?
Deberku, D-U-B-B-E-R-K.
Okay, we're checking in guys.
She and I both want new phones.
Okay, iPhone 16 Pro. So we're waiting for the customer service to help us guys. They are quite busy today, right? Bye bye. Okay, we'll wait for our turn. So, naghihintay pa kami ng maka-assist sa amin. But, naka-check-in na po kami. Tayuan portion kasi busy.
It's $1,099.99. Financing would be $45.83. To walk out with it would be $144.66, and that would be this price added to the bill. If you want to pay in full, $1,242.
Yeah, let's pay it in full.
Don't be overwhelmed. I just didn't want you guys to have to go.
Okay, so we're gonna choose which
What are the prices?
one is gonna be perfect for my iPhone 16 Pro. So either this one or this one. Which one, Frey? Frey, which
All
one?
of them, I like this one, but this gets the job done as well for
Which one?
I like two of them.
Yeah, I like this one.
Take the cheap one.
No, but I like this one more.
These are the ones that
You like this one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Buying these, and because you guys have insurance, you guys have essentially free replacements on these. So buying these today.
Okay, I'm taking this. Okay, one great news guys. I'll just keep my old phone. Okay, so I can still use this as my backup phone and just put a SIM card whenever I go to the Philippines. Okay. Yay!
This can be fry.
Thank you for helping us today.
No, of course.
Okay, now he's doing Dad's phone. Dad got 14. He doesn't need the 16 Pro Max. I just need the 16 Pro Max. Haha. Alright, so ito na nga. Ready na ba tayo na makita ang iPhone 16 Pro Max? Well, I'm late for this. Kung okay pa yung audio sa phone nitong ginagamit ko, hindi pa ako mag-upgrade. So, ito, nakauwi na kami. Sinet up na to sa store. Tingnan natin ang ating iPhone 16 Pro Max. Dalawang sizes siya. May maliit at mahaba or malaki. Pero, depende sa'yo kung alin ang kukunin mo. Yung 125 gigabytes or yung 250 something. So, ang kinuha ko, yung 200 plus na. So, if 125 lang, medyo mura. Since content creator tayo, lubos-lubusan na natin habang nasa mood pa si Mr. No? So, ang kinuha natin yung 256 gigabytes. So, ito na. Taran! Open natin. Late na ako nag-iPhone Pro Max. It's okay. As long as mayroon tayong bagong toy. So, yan ang casing na kinuha natin. Tingnan nyo yung camera. Sabi nung taga T-Mobile, super maganda ang camera niya. So, na-transfer na lahat ng data natin dito. Lahat-lahat. Yan. Nilagyan. Kumuha tayo ng screen protector. At saka naka-set up na siya. So, ready na to use. Ready na siya gamitin. Na-transfer na yan. Ang lahat na data galing dito sa phone na ginamit natin. So, parang maganda nga yung camera tingnan. Oh, super, ano siya, clear. So, tingnan natin. Next video, ito na ang gamitin natin. Super handy siya at magaan. Unlike nitong old phone, mabigat tapos malaki. So, it comes with a charger. Yeah. Tapos, may warranty siya. Kung masira, mabasag yung casing, we can go into the store and they can replace it for free. Kasi nga, bumili si asawa ng insurance. Ito yung head niya. So, may charger siya. At magkano yung nabayaran ni Mr. nito lahat sa ating nabiling iPhone today. Kinash out na niya. Hindi na siya dumaan ng finances. So, kinash out niya para wala na daw siyang iisipin. $1,376 buong cellphone including the casing at saka charger. So, ito na yung birthday gift ko and Christmas gift. So, wala nang shopping after this one. Ay, may isa pa pala. Yung Smart TV. Oo, dalawa yung regalo natin. Once a year lang naman ako maghingi ng regalo. Anniversary gift, Christmas gift, and birthday gift. Isahang regalo yun. So, yun lang ang ating unboxing sa ating iPhone 16 Pro Max. Super handy. And one great news. Itong ginamit natin na camera ngayon, ito ang old phone ko, hindi na nila kinuha. Yeah, so amin na. Kasi bayad na to eh. Yung old phone, bayad na yan. Matagal na. So, hindi na nila kinuha. Pati yung old phone ni Dad, hindi na rin nila kinuha. So, may dalawang old phones tayo na dadalhin sa Pilipinas. Itong old phone, baka ibigay ko to sa mama ko. Itong isang old phone kay Dad, ibigay natin kay tatay. Ito ang gamit na cellphone ni asawa. Oh. Ano to? iPhone 10. Yeah. Super old. So, yun lang guys. Bali, dalawang phones ang binili namin. Walang pinaka-old phones na available na sa Apple ngayon. 14 na lang. So, 14 Pro Max yung nabili para sa asawa ko. Ang akin, special. Kasi kailangan natin ng malaking memory. Thank you sa ating mga viewers dyan. Bye!